Welcome to the world of Supertec Machine Private Limited, a journey of innovation that began in 1980. At the heart of our operations is precision. Critical components, like the crosshead, are manufactured with utmost accuracy, using state-of-the-art CNC and VMC machines. Here, we see the highly efficient Siloplas extrusion line ready for dispatch. Moving out from our dedicated dispatch area. Every machine is built for durability. Our dedicated area for machine spare part manufacturing ensures quality from the smallest component. Supertec, engineering the future since 1980.